One of the best pieces of news from today's tragedy was no one on the ground was injured, but the plane did crash near the Brownsville neighborhood. Kalisha Whitman is there with reaction from people who live near that site. Kalisha.
Ani, yes, but it's still a heartbreaking thing for people here that live in the neighborhood. You can see the wreckage behind me. Everyone is still out just trying to piece all of this together. Something was wrong.
It shook. It shook my house. It woke everybody up in my house.
I heard a loud boom, explosion type sound, and it's kind of like, you know, when you feel like how the earthquake, like the shake.
The people in this neighborhood didn't know what it was until they went outside.
I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna go and check on my neighbors and see what's going on, and had no idea that it was a plane that actually had crashed.
And now it's the scene of a National Transportation Safety Board investigation. A UPS plane crashed. 2 pilots died.
It's scary. It's scary because I often sit on the back of my deck. I just live 4 houses down the street. And I sit on my deck and I see how low the planes fly coming in. I can almost see the passengers.
But this, a plane broken in 2, is something the people in this neighborhood never wanted to see. Ani, many people have told me that they're viewing these pilots here as heroes today because they said that they believe that the pilots were able to land in that field and avoid houses. So they are thankful for that, but of course saddened by the loss of the life. For now, we're live here in Birmingham. Kalisha Whitman, Alabama's 13 News.
Thank you, Kalisha.